Hi, lovely people. How is your day going? Make sure you leave it down in the comment section how you are, what's going on. I love hearing from you guys. So, if you read from the title, I'm really excited about this. I'm going to be unboxing the March 2019 Luxury Divas box. This is a brand new box that I just heard of. This is an accessory box. Now, they did send this to me free for review, but I have seen this on a few channels. The first person I seen it on was She Crafty's video, and then Abadabs did it. I think Southern Mom did it. So I was so excited when they sent me this free for review. I don't have a code. I don't think I did email them to see if they will give me like a coupon code. So if I do hear back from them, I will leave it down below. And as long as they're, well, let me try that again, along with their website. All right, so a little bit about this box. So that, like, this is $30 a month, and you take like a little profile, and it asks you things that you like, colors you like, and it's all like accessories to accessorize your outfit. And it does come with, I think this month, 2 articles of clothing, which is exciting. So without further ado, let's unbox the March 2019 Luxury Diva box. Oh, look. So it comes like this. You get a little lollipop, and it's green, and it has the shamrocks for St. Patty's Day, which that's cool. And it has a little sticker. All right, what else? All right, so let's see. All right, so it's right here of everything that you will be getting. Okay, good. It comes with prices, which I like that. Okay, what you be? All right, this is a monthly dose of fashion. Okay, so then it tells you everything. So it says monthly collection of 5 to 6 hand-selected fashion-related items. Each LD accessory box is valued over $100, which is great. You complete an online style profile for your tailored subscription experience, so you can put your sizes in, which is great. Enjoy your new fashions or share them. No need to return any items. They're all yours. Oh, so that's good. So I guess, well, okay, so like, you know how like Stitch Fix and all that, you try it on what you don't like, you send back. This is everything's for you to keep. Box contains will vary by month and individual subscriber, so not every box is the same, which is great. And then it just says if you subscribe for 3 boxes, 6 boxes, or 12 boxes, you get 1 free and all that kind of stuff. You can cancel at any time. So it just has all this with the prices. So for 1 month, it'd be $30. For 3 months, it's $75. And 6 months, it's $150. And 12 months, you get 1 month free. And you would pay, let's see, you get over $300 worth of value. Okay, but 1 month is $30. 3 months, it's a little cheaper. You get it for $25. 6 months, $25, and 12 months, $23. All right, so let me stop babbling about it. All right, what is this stuff? All right, so these are like little cards, and then this is the person who accessorized me. She curated my box, and her name is Nikki, and she is, ooh, see, she is just a beautiful. She is gorgeous. All right, so the first thing that I see, I got this in another subscription. This is the Emerald by Beauty Creations. So I am going to put this, save this for a giveaway. I really like this box. It comes with a mirror, and these are the colors. Really, really pretty. This is for like, these are more for like fall colors, but of course you can wear them anytime, summer, whatever. But when I look at that, I look at like fall, you know, winter, but it's really pretty. So that will go in a future giveaway. All right, let's see how much that is. So it's saying it is $17. All right, the next thing, which I love these so much. So what I use this for, if I'm having like flats on or something like that, I will put these on for like socks, you know. I like it, and then you can't see that you have them on. All right, so let's see how much this puppy is. All right, so these are the 2-pack no-show socks. So, of course, you can wear these with sneakers or anything like that as well. And they are $12. So, that's pretty cool. Also, I like wearing stuff like this because I don't wear shoes in my house, and we have wooden floors, so it gets cold, and so I like wearing socks, so I'm definitely going to use that. All right, the next thing is, I have no idea, but I'll tell you what, this is like a velvety bag. This is like nice material, and let's open her up. Okay, so this is a belt. Now they asked me what color do I like the most, and I said black, because black is with everything. And so I did see other people get this, and it does stretch, which is really, really nice. This is a pretty big belt, so that's pretty cool. And what I like about these, I have belts like this. You can kind of go any way you want, and you just put that in like this. Goes in like that, you know what I mean? So you can adjust it, which I like, so it doesn't have like the holes, and that's pretty cool, because sometimes you ever get a belt and it's like either too big, so you have to make your own holes, or like you wished it had like, you know, like less holes or whatever. So I like these kind of belts. I'm really excited to get this. I really am. I do like them a lot. So far, I really enjoy this box. All right, so where is the belts? Okay, so that would retail value for $15. So that's pretty cool. All right, the next thing is this beautiful scarf. And this is really nice. You can definitely accessorize your coat, or if you have a sweater on or a shirt. It gets cold in Jersey. I mean, it's still cold, and it is what, March, the end of March, going into April. So that's pretty cool. And I think it's actually, this is really pretty. I really do like that. All right, so this would be $19, and it is a silk scarf, and it's a 2-pack. Okay, I didn't realize it was a 2-pack. So that is a pretty cool. So we have, you know what, let's open her up and let's just see what it looks like. All right. So this is the first one right there. And you know what else you can do with these too? You can put these on your pocketbook too, like on the handles, if you want to kind of like dress up your pocketbook. That's definitely pretty cool for that. And then you have this pretty, right here. This is like my favorite color right there. I love that turquoise color. So that is cool. All right, what else do we have? Then we have this little thingy right here. All right, so, okay, so this is really pretty. This is a necklace. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, I like that a lot. How much is this? This is $18. This is gorgeous. Oh, I can't get over how pretty this is, guys. Look at this. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, how many times can I put it around my head? Let's see. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is so, so pretty. If you just have like a plain color shirt and a pair of jeans and you just want to dress it up, or even a nice black dress. Oh my God, okay, I'm getting excited. I mean, I really like that a lot. I love this box. I love it so much. All right, I told you the price, right? $18. All right, and then the last two things are the clothing. And you did fill out, and I said I like black, and then they asked you, what is your second favorite color? And I like blue. Blue is pretty. My favorite color is turquoise. And okay, so let's see what this puppy looks like. Well, this is pretty. That is gorgeous. That is so, so pretty. That is really nice for the summer. And this is really good. It's like stretchy, so it would be like form-fitting, which is good. You know, it won't look too like bulky. Let's see if I can see what the material is. Oh, good Lord, I can't read that. I can't read it. All right, let's see how much this is. So that would be $20. Let's see, accessorize with your cami and get ready to make it easier. Okay, so, oh, and you can wear it, says with your accessorize detail with your neckline. Right, I like this. I don't think I have anything like that. That will definitely look pretty. So definitely excited about that. And last but not least is, what is this? So this is, okay, like it's like a little shirt long sleeve shirt thing that you would put over another shirt. You can all put this over it, but for me, I wouldn't pair these two together. If this was a lighter blue, definitely, but a navy blue and black, just for me, I wouldn't pair it together. This would look good with like a lighter color, or if this was black as well. But you definitely compare them two together, the styles. That's really, really pretty. And that would be $27, and that's what it looks like right there. So pretty. And then that was the shirt. But yeah, that's everything. Let's recap what we got and let's see. So we have, now mind you guys, this is all for $30. $30. So we have 2 items of clothing. We have a nice belt, which I'm serious, this is stretchy and I love this. I have a little bit of a stomach, so I'm diabetic and I'm in insulin resistance right now, so I have a little pudge in my stomach, and so that's pretty cool that it's stretchy. And I like the fact that you can, you know, make this bigger or smaller, you know, and just put it in there. I love these types of belts. And then we have these that I'm either going to wear them just around the house, or I wouldn't wear these with sneakers. I like them a little bit higher than that. But if you have flats or even like heels, you can definitely wear these. And then you have the 2 scarves. And then you have this gorgeous necklace. I think this is like my favorite thing. This is so pretty. I really like it. I would probably pay close to $30 alone for that. That's how much I really like it. All right, so that's everything. I'll leave it down below. I'll add everything up, and I'll leave it down in my description box how much all this came to. It says it's guaranteed to be $100 worth of value, right? Let me make sure. Yeah, it says $100 or more for $30. That's not bad. Also, like I said, I'm trying to get a hold of the company to see if I can get a coupon code. I'm not sure if they're giving out coupon codes, but I'll leave it down below if I get a hold of them by the time, or I'll pin a comment by the time I put this video out. But I am really, really impressed with this box. Now, like I said, they did send it to me for free this month. I don't know if every month they're going to continue to send it to me or if it's just this month. So let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this box? Do you think it's worth it? I really, really like this box. And yeah, let me know. Let me know your thoughts. All right, guys, please like this video. It does help me out. Make sure you leave a comment. And as always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, I love you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.